Perky. So all in a while, he or she's doing alright. I'm actually quite happy it survived yesterday, and it's alright, it's quite warm. I think it's starting to get more feathers, a bit floofy. Probably more comfortable here. Problem is though, it keeps trying to get out of the nest, and it seems that it keeps on jumping out, or at least trying to fly out of it. However, he's a little bit too small, so he's a little bit too soon. And I believe what happened was that before it got attacked by a cat, it tried to jump out of the nest, but it was a little too soon. So it just, it was a very small one. It's quite small. Still has a bit of grey feathers around it. But not far from, getting your feathers. You were jumping, weren't you? Keep trying to jump out and get in my bed. He or she keeps always coming up there, that pillow. So yeah, just keep on feeding it icky dog food mess thing. And yeah, every few, about 15 to like 12 to 20 minutes, somewhere there, each time, just keep feeding it. It's very peaceful on my arm.